Hi all, I recently bought Shootvilla's Nano Steadicam, and in this video we are going to unbox that and I'm going to share you guys my impression about that Steadicam, as well as I'm going to share you guys some test footage that I shot with this Steadicam, as well as handheld footage for the comparison. Before we jump into the unboxing, the reason for getting this Steadicam apart from the Flycam Steadicam is that this is the only Steadicam or the cheapest Steadicam that can support camera weighing 2.5 kilogram. So I just future proofed my cheapest purchase. So let's jump into this unboxing. It comes in a nice travel bag, not that nice, but for the price it is good. Inside the bag you can find all the parts of this Steadicam which you want to assemble, and all the parts are packed very well. So for packing it's 10 out of 10, and for assembling this Steadicam there is no instructions inside the box or this bag, so we want to do it ourselves, and the assembling part is very straightforward. There is not that much of a big problem. So for assembling the tail section, that's the end section, you can just screw it very fast, but to assemble the head section it's little bit difficult as we want to use the X screw that it comes with. Now for the build quality of this Steadicam, it is built out of black aluminum and it feels and looks great. But there is a problem, and the problem is related to handle. The problem is that the foam that is used to cover this handle is pushed way into the handle. It is affecting the movement of the handle, so we can't really move the handle like that. So also another thing is that the glue that is used to attach this foam is poorly applied. It is falling off, so I can easily fix that issue. So I used super glue to attach this foam again to the handle in a nice way, so it is not affecting the movement of the handle. So this issue will differ on the product. It is the issue that affect my product. So if you're facing this issue on your Steadicam, just grab a super glue and fix it for yourself. This is the easy way to fix that issue. And now for the another issue, that is the handle size. The size of the handle is very small on this Shootvilla Nano. The problem with the small handle is that when you work with this Steadicam, there is a chance that you are going to hit your hand with the center pole, which is going to affect the entire shot. So that's the issue. And if you are looking for one that got higher handle size or bigger handle size, then there is no particular option available under this budget. You might want to spend some more to get a one that got big handle size. Now for stabilizing camera in this Steadicam, stabilizing the camera is very easy on this Steadicam, but fine tuning all the adjustment, that is the tilt and the pan, is a pain, because we want to unscrew for knob, then we want to move the base plate with our hand, then we want to screw that for knob back. So fine tuning that small adjustment is a very big pain in this Steadicam. And if you look at all other option got the same issue. So for this particular budget there is no other option which provide easy fine tuning option. Before we look at the stabilization provided by this Steadicam, let's look at the test footage. All the details for the test footage will be at the side, and also remember that this is my first Steadicam and the only one that I used. So watch all the test footage with that thing or with that perspective. So looking at the test footage, you can see that it is doing a great job. For a beginner like me, without any camera stabilization enabled except for the kit lens inbuilt stabilization, it is doing a pretty good job. So if you are looking for a Steadicam or a stabilizer or a gimbal under this budget of below $50, this Shootvilla Nano is a great option. And if you are a beginner who is going to get the Steadicam or another Steadicam, remember that you need to practice a lot to get the perfect shot, especially if you are going to do a lot of tilting and panning. So that's all about this simple video, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.